नमाज पढ़ा कि मैं तैवल वेखा
There was a story about the king and the parrot, and the king was very scared as to how to best guard his heart. So he went and he put his heart and gave it to the parrot to protect it.
पढ़न कुरान फरीदा
So he calls me his tota, basically. So he's like, my tota has my heart, so as long as I have his heart, he's well and healthy and happy. So
रांझण अंग लगाया मेरे रांझण अंग लगाया रांझण अंग लगाया मेरे रांझण अंग लगाया रांझण अंग लगाया मेरे रांझण अंग लगाया रांझण अंग लगाया मेरे रांझण अंग लगाया